Hello and welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Empower app in your device. Empower is a financial app that helps you manage your money and reach your financial goals. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Empower. There you can see Empower by Empower Retirement LLC. Tap on it. Then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Empower app to help you manage your money and reach your financial goals. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.